Hello, this is the Gaming Melon. Today I will be showing you how to make a refrigerator. Get a block of quartz if you're on creative, block of iron. What else should we do? Redstone, a button, dispenser, and that should be it. Go 3 up, 1, 2 over, and up, so you make a perfect doorway. Put the blocks of iron in between. You have an iron door also. You put the iron door right there. Then you can delete that. You can put redstone right here. Put a button right here. Put a block right here. Put a door right here. And it should look like this. And as you can see, I will put all these in there, and it will dispense them out like a refrigerator. There we go. That is the end of my video. It was a quick, nice video, and